Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Download TradingView for PC from TradingView. Calm and run the installer. After it finishes, open the app and allow updates when prompted. Create or sign into your account using email or Google, then verify your email to unlock community features. Choose a free or paid plan and note limits like indicators per chart and alerts so you can plan layouts. Disable unnecessary startup, widgets to speed load time, and enable hardware acceleration in settings to improve chart. Open a new chart and select the market symbol in the top left search box, typing tickers or names to find instruments quickly. Set your time frame using the toolbar dropdown, use the templates menu to load or save a chart layout, and save a custom template for reuse across multiple symbols. Add indicators via the Indicators button, choose built-in or public scripts, and limit indicators so you stay within the number allowed by your plan for optimal performance. Use the right side panel to create alerts with price, condition, and custom messages that notify you by email, pop-up, or SMS so you never miss setups. Enable paper trading in the trading panel to practice orders without real capital, place market and limit orders, and review fill history to refine entries. Save layouts to the cloud, export chart images for reports, and backup settings in account settings so your templates and watch lists are available on any PC where.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.